Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Make a full Nandroid backup in TWRP now, because once you modify partitions, recovery is your safety net. Next, enable developer options and USB debugging. Make sure OEM unlock is allowed so the bootloader can be unlocked. Download the device-specific TWRP image, the Magisk ZIP, and the matching firmware to your PC. These exactly match files prevent mismatched boots. Once done, check battery above 50% and connect via. Now you flash TWRP and boot straight into recovery so the stock ROM doesn't overwrite changes. Use fast boot flash recovery, then immediately boot. In TWRP, install the Magisk ZIP to get systemless root. Once the system boots, install the Magisk APK to manage binaries. Configure Zygisk or Magisk Hide to control which apps see root. Install only vetted modules and enable them one at a time to isolate issues. Make sure SE Linux is enforced unless a module explicitly requires permissive, because security matters. Finish by verifying root with Root Checker so you know apps will function as intended. Then review each app's grants and deny anything unnecessary. Keep Magisk and modules updated and make another Nandroid backup before big changes. If something goes wrong, for example a boot loop after a module install, use TWRP to remove the module or restore your Nandroid backup. If needed, reflash the stock boot image. This recovers the device quickly and prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.